Hey guys, so this is how the day has gone. This is the tomato bed that my daughter broke the other day. Well, I came out here and re-broke it, and my wife wanted to plant the tomatoes. So I dug, I think my count is 43 holes. That's what I spent the morning doing. I even went and got some bamboo stakes for the tomatoes. But then, as anybody that's ever been married has heard before, plans changed. So I took the biggest and tallest of the tomato plants from inside and up-potted them and staked them. Because we got some more frost coming. We wanted to harden them off before they went in the ground. So I've got 14 of them, I believe. Let's see, yeah, 14 repotted and waiting for the right weather. My next projects, I came back here and broke a garden bed that we hadn't broke before. Just to expand our growing a little bit using this beast. Wow. And you can see it looks pretty good. Dirt's all dark. It's looking pretty smooth. The one downside, you got to deal with Billy the Kid, meanest animal on earth. But hey, nobody said gardening was easy. I'm not sure what's going to go in here, but it's ready for it. You guys have a good one.